Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Morningstar in STK, only way. Start by launching the game and selecting the campaign mode where hidden rewards appear. Complete the designated challenge race without using boosts or glitches to qualify. Reach the secret checkpoint sequence and collect the glowing token that spawns only after meeting time and position conditions. Finish the final segment cleanly to trigger the Morningstar reward and claim it from your inventory. Begin by loading the save slot closest to the secret sequence so you can retry quickly after mistakes. Approach the sequence calmly and keep consistent speed to hit each checkpoint accurately without skidding or colliding. When the glowing token appears, tap the collection input once with steady timing so the game recognizes the pickup. After collection, continue through the final checkpoint without interruptions to secure the Morningstar in your rewards screen. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more focused tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for long grind sessions because it seals tightly and stays cold for hours, making hydration effortless between attempts. I use it during every session, and it saves time and spills. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Players often fail because they restart too far back, which can reset spawn conditions or waste time, so save close to the challenge. Overusing boosts near the spawning area can skip the precise speed window needed for the glowing token to appear, so manage acceleration carefully. Also prioritize lane positioning to hit triggers cleanly, because missing a registration will cancel the reward and force another attempt under the exact same constraints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.